Hi, just a quick tutorial on how to edit your navigation. To do that, we'll go over to Appearance and Menus. Here you'll see your main navigation. If you wanted to change the menu on your footer, you would change it over to the Additional Information footer menu. Hit Select. And you can also change your footer menu, where the FAQ, studio policies, terms and conditions are. We'll head back over to the main navigation. To edit one of these, we'll go and edit the winter camp. You just hit the down arrow, and you can change this to summer camp or whatever you choose. To save that change, you'll hit Save Menu. To add a page, you would go over here. You can view all pages. You can also search for one. So let's add home again. To do that, you'll highlight the one you want to add or multiple and hit Add to Menu. Now you'll scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see it's been added right here. And you can drag and drop it anywhere you want. If you wanted it to be under a main menu, so a subcategory drop down, you would bring it out just like that, under the main category that you want it at. If you bring it back, that's going to be a main category. If you wanted a subcategory, you would just bring it back one more, and you'll see it would drop down once, and then under reviews, it would drop down again. Let's test that real quick. We'll save. We'll head to the front end. And where did I put that? I put that under About Us. So we'll go over to About Us, and you'll see an extra arrow next to reviews, and that's where the home is. To delete a menu, you'll hit the down arrow and hit Remove. Once you've done that, you'll want to go either to the very bottom of the page or the very top on the right hand side and hit Save Menu. And you'll see here that's been updated.